Hi, myself Shreyukta. Welcome you to my channel Alokik the Learning Space. In my last video, I have covered introduction of MS Excel, the structure of Excel sheet, and how to create new worksheet. For your reference, I have mentioned the link below in description box. Now, I came up with the topic of introduction of MS Excel ribbon. Now, what is MS Excel ribbon? You will see it is at the top of Excel window. Ribbon consists of tabs at the top which splits in group or specific commands. It shows us the most commonly used command and option to perform a particular task. Here you will see on screen the Home tab is open. You will see the groups: clipboard, font, alignment, number, styles, cell, editing. These are the groups and they are performing particular tasks. For example, to format the data, for making reports, etc. Okay, so let's move ahead. See, in every Excel sheet, there is a default tabs. There are 8 tabs. Let's see what. First one, File type. Second one, Home tab. Third one, Insert tab. Fourth one, Page layout. Next, Formula. Next, Data. Next, Review. Next, View. These are the 8 tabs which will appear in default. Now the question is, can we customize the ribbon and add the new tab? The answer is yes. We can add Developer tab in ribbon. For adding Developer tab, follow some steps. Just check it out. Here, click File, then click Option, then Customize ribbon, then check on Developer tab. Now we will see the result. Now Developer tab also appeared in ribbon along with other tabs. Now we are getting 9 tabs. Okay, let's move ahead. This is a contextual tab. What is it? And when it appears? This contextual tab get activated on insertion of any object, table, charts, etc. See, if we insert a chart, then 2 contextual tabs activated. This is Design and Format. I have marked this in red. You will see that. If we insert any object, then only one contextual tab get activated, that is Format. You will see in red mark. Okay. Now we will have a quick revision of all tabs and its group of related commands. First, File tab. It consists 11 groups: Info, New, Open, Save, Save as, Print, Share, Export, Close, Account, Option. You will see it consists of basic options. Next, Home tab. It consists 7 groups: Clipboard, Font, Alignment, Number, Style, Cells, Editing. It is basically used to format the data. Next, Insert tab. It consists 9 group: table, illustration, add-ins, charts, sparklines, filter, links, text, symbol. It is basically used to insert pictures, charts and filters. Next, page layout. It consists 5 groups: themes, page setup, scale to fit, sheet option, arrange. It is used to prepare workbook for printing and exporting to PDF. Next, formula. It consists 4 groups: function library, define names, formula auditing, calculation. This tab is very important. It is useful to make dynamic reports. Next, data tab. It consists 5 groups: get external data, connection, sort and filter, data tools, outlines. It is used for large amounts of data. We can import the data from web, MS Access, etc. Next, review tab. It consists 4 groups: proofing, language, comments, changes. Next, view tab. It consists 5 groups: workbook views, shows, zoom, window, macros. It is basically used to help change of view of Excel sheet and easy to view the data, and also to prepare the workbook for printing. Next, our customize tab, which is developer. It consists 5 groups: code, add-ins, control, XML, modify. I hope you have got the basic idea of tab. If you have any doubts, you can write in comment box. To learn this tab more in detail or to learn more topics on Excel, keep watching my channel. If you liked my video, please hit like button and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, Aloki the Learning Space. Thank you.